Hi dear students, welcome back to our English class. I wish all of you be okay and I hope all of you feel good. As you know, in previous lesson we said that what are some words for newspapers and magazines. For example, one of them was article, caption, column. These were the previous lesson. So for today, let's start our new lesson. We have explored. Exploring means to investigate, to search. So let's see what it is. It says that read the text. What qualities do successful people have? As you see in here, we have a text, and it's about the secrets of success. Let's see what qualities do successful people have. All successful people agree that there is no success without hard work. See, hard work is one of the quality for success. As a sports coach Wise Lambert said, the only place success comes before work is in the dictionary. You must also be able to accept failure. As you know, accepting failure is another quality of being successful. Basketball player Michael Jordan said he had failed over and over again in his life, and that was why he succeeded. Another important quality is patience. Yes, being patient and patience is another quality of being successful in life. Author Maya Angelou said all great achievements needed time. See, it means that we should be patient. Finally, 2 pieces of advice on our attitude towards work. Inventor Thomas Edison told an interviewer that he had never done a day's work in his life. It had all been fun. See? And writer Khalil Gibran said, if you couldn't work with love, you should leave your work. In other words, be positive. See, being positive is another quality of being successful in life. And that person says that we should love our work. If we don't love our work, he says that we should leave our work. Yes, that's true. So these were the qualities of being a successful person in our life. Now let's see what grammatical point is mentioned in here. See, all successful people agree that there is no success without hard work. As a sports coach Wayne Lambert said, the only place success comes before work is in the dictionary. See, one is said in here, we have said in here, and another place. See, basketball player Michael Jordan said he had failed over and over. What kind of grammatical position is it? Yes, you are correct. It is reported speech. Okay, let's say what is reported speech. See, reported speech. We use reported speech to talk about things said in the past. We use reported speech to talk about the things that are said in the past. And as you know, reported speech has some properties, like the tense of the reported sentence usually changes. For example, if it is simple past, it changes to past perfect. Personal and possessive pronouns, time expressions, and demonstrative pronouns also usually change. You know what are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, you know, yes? And what are demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, and those, you know them. So let's do one example with them. See, this is an example of reported speech. My business was very successful last year, said Jeff. Is it reported speech or direct speech? At first it's direct, now let's change it to reported speech. See, we say that we do what? We change the tense, sometimes we change the possessive pronouns, and sometimes we change the demonstrative pronouns and time expressions as well. See, my business was very successful last year, said Jeff. See, Jeff said my business. See? Is my business, and here when we change it becomes what? His business. Jeff said his business had been very successful the year before. And here, what is our tense? It is simple past. Was very successful. Yeah? Successful. So let's change it to what? Past perfect. Was very successful becomes what? Had been very successful the year before. And here, what's our time expression? It is what? Last year. See? Last year. And last year. And reported speech, it becomes what? The year before. So, this was one property of reported speech. Let's continue. As the next usage of reported speech, let's see what is it. It says that sometimes we don't change the tense of the verb because it refers to something that is always true or habit. We don't change what? The verb of a tense, the tense of a verb. Why? Because it's a true and it is a habit. Example. Water boils at 100 Celsius, said Louis. See, water boils at 100. It is what? It's a true sentence. So we can't change the tense. Louis said water boils at 100 Celsius. So let's continue with another example. They speak 27 languages in Afghanistan, Ehsan told me. See, it is a true sentence. It is a fact. So we can't change the tense of this sentence. So if we change it to reported speech, it becomes what? Ehsan told me they speak 27 languages in Afghanistan. So let's continue with the usages. The auxiliary verbs can, may, must, and have to usually change form. Which auxiliary verbs? Can, may, must, and have to. They usually change their forms. But the auxiliary verbs might, could, should, and ought to don't usually change form. They don't change form. Example, you ought to watch this movie. See, this is what? A direct speech. So let's change it to reported speech. We should change like this. Ahmad Saleh told me I ought to watch this movie. Why we didn't change? Because we say that we don't change ought to and reported speech. It should be the same. You ought to watch this movie. Ahmad Saleh told me I ought to. See, you becomes I ought to, the same. I ought to watch this movie. So let's go back to our book. These were the usages of reported speech that I told you. Let's do some exercises with this. So it says that match the 5 examples of reported speech from exercise 2 with the 3 explanations and learn this box. And here we say that there are some sentences, yes? So match them. It is your homework. Next exercise, it says that exploit. As you know, exploit means what? To spread out. Exploit means to spread out, to develop. It says that rewrite the sentences and reported speech. Let's do one of them as an example. Number 1. You ought to fill in an application form. The secretary told me what? I ought to fill in an application form. See, because it is ought to. So we don't change ought to any other thing. It should be the same. We said the usage, yes? And property. So the next sentences are your homework, dear students. And learn this part, local part. It says that what? there are reported questions. It says, when we report questions, we use the word order of a statement. When we report a question that gives a yes-no answer, we add the words if or whether to the reported question. If it is yes-no question, or if it needs yes-no answer, we add what? If or whether. Example, have you had a lot of success? We can answer by yes, or we can answer by no. See, he asked me if or whether I had had a lot of success. We change the tense, yes, we change the verb form and we change the tense. When we report a question made with a question word, we repeat the word. Okay? We repeat the what? The question word. Example, when will you write the article? What is the question word in here? When. See, she asked me when I would write the article. See, will. We change will to what? To would. Okay, dear students, let's continue. Next exercise. It says that write the original questions. Okay, they are reported speech sentences given for us. It says that write the original questions. Number one is done for us. He asked me where I was from. This is reported speech. Let's change it to what? Original question. See, where are you from? Because it is are you. We change it to what? Present simple to past simple. It becomes what? Where I was from. The next sentences are your homework. Next exercise says that work in pairs, tell each other what advice you would give in each of the following situations, and then report what your partner has told you to the class. Example number one, I am always late for class. This sentence is, for example, saying by someone, one of the students, he says, I am always late for class. Then other students should do what? Should say some sentences. For example, you should get up early. You should come by bus to school, for example, in order not to be late for class. And at the end, you should report the sentences that your classmates told you. Okay? Thank you, dear students. And as your homework, Grammar Builder, page 105, do them on your book, and workbook, page 46. These were our today's lessons. Have a good time. Thank you. See you later. Goodbye.